In this episode, we're going to talk about the short vowel O sound. Most words in the English language have a vowel in them. The letters A, E, I, O, and U are all vowels. The letter Y is a vowel too when it isn't in the beginning of a word. The letter O has many sounds, but the short O sound makes the sound ah, like an octopus. Examples of short O words are octopus and hot. The O in both words makes the ah sound. Let's try and spell a short O word. Let's spell mop. Sound it out. What letters do you hear? That's right. M-O-P. There are also ways you can use short O to help you read. When a word has one vowel and the vowel comes at the beginning, the vowel usually starts as a short vowel, like in ox. Now, when a word has one vowel and it comes between two consonants or a CVC word, that vowel is usually short, like in hop and fog. Now that we've learned about the short O sound, let's see if you can answer these questions. Which one of these words has the short O sound in it? Map or dog? You're right. Dog has a short O in it. I wonder how you spell log. You're right. You spell it L-O-G. I hope you like this lesson on short O. Don't forget to check out my channel for more lessons. Don't forget to like and subscribe to learn more.